St. Paul is the capital city of the state of Minnesota. We have about 288,000 people who call the city home. We have a small town, big city feel that really has distinct neighborhoods. And it's important for us in emergency management to make sure we take all of that into account while we're designing systems for outdoor warning, for warning and notification, that we really meet the community needs. The city of St. Paul had one of probably the oldest system for outdoor warning in the state of Minnesota. The needs of the city certainly had grown over the past 50 years. So it was really important to us to have a credible and qualified organization come in and provide us with the sound study, not just replacing equipment for equipment. That's fairly easy, but to actually design a system from the ground up that was going to serve the needs of the community, fit within the requirements that we had, and also be a fiscally responsible solution. Federal Signal came back as the top vendor with the lowest price, as a matter of fact. To have new technology, new infrastructure is really comforting to the community. When we're able to enhance the system with things like community notification, polygon warning, sort of the next generation public notification and warning systems. Federal Signal came back with a field survey that they had done for us. They had done a sound study as well. Came back with a complete package that went from design of the system all the way through installation, so it was a turnkey project. You know, the previous system was really just a siren on top of a pole. The Commander software allows us to actually look at maintenance needs. We can interrogate the system. We can do any of those things that we need to do from the office before sending out a repair crew. That's just one simple cost-saving measure. In the future, the software is going to allow us to add different components as well with community notification. Our experience with Federal Signal is that they were customer-focused from the beginning. That kind of end-to-end customer service from the design and installation through maintenance and sustainment is really what communities need. We really feel that the outdoor warning sirens that we have in place are going to serve the community for many years to come. We're also really confident that the other aspects of the system that we can build into and integrate with the outdoor warning sirens are going to serve the community well for many years.